welcome to All My Vibes. I appreciate you all, no matter how big or small the views are. Thank you for talking about my channel. So let's not kill the vibe and start the video. And oh yeah, if no one told you this, you are beautiful and you are loved. So let's get this started. Y'all are here today because of what I posted in the title, which is a Louis Vuitton bag in my worst French accent. This is my first ever Christian Louis Vuitton bag, well, first ever luxury bag, and like let me dabble in this luxury item buying, and I think I might be somewhat addicted because I bought this bag in August, and I've already purchased other luxury items, so there will be other videos about those luxury items if I'm not too lazy, because I am very busy. So hopefully there will be some videos. No, there will be video. I have to speak it to existence. But yeah, this is my first ever luxury bag, and can you guess what it is? Pause. I think I need to change my outfit because this type of item deserves extraness, and I don't care if you don't care about me being extra, because I care. This is how I decompress, because I was an ICU nurse during this whole COVID situation, and I hated it. I hated every minute of it because it was so saddening, so tiring. Y'all already know. Y'all saw some of the videos of how the nurses we were talking about. We're not gonna get on this. We talk about happiness, taking you all to a happy place. So I feel like I need to change. Hold on one moment. Hello everyone. Yes, I have to come back to the video. I had to do a little outfit change because this video deserves a little bit extra, because this is a luxury haul. I have to even change my accent a little bit. I don't know. But anyway, y'all already know what we're here for. Can you all guess what kind of bag that I bought? Let's do a nice little unboxings. Look at that. With the nice duster bag, and ooh, it's packaged very nice. Okay, I gotta take this off. What extra goes wrong? Anyway, yeah, of course, this is a nice Louis Vuitton bag box, and this is the receipt with the it comes in a nice package. You've all seen videos like this, and this is me unboxing this. So that's the bag. You ready? Hold your breath. And look at this nice red bag. So this is the, I want to say the Pochette Matisse bag. I really fell in love with it. This is me being the first ever luxury bag or luxury item that I ever bought. I wanted to kind of be different. I didn't want to just get the regular Neverfull bag or the Speedy bag, which is no shade on anyone. I do like those bags, but I'm a unique type of person or whatever, and I needed something that I know that I probably more than likely would use, even though I did keep it in my closet since August. Don't judge me. I just didn't have time to use it. Anyway, so yeah, this is the nice Pochette Matisse bag. I hope I'm not pronouncing it right. Let me make sure. Yes, the Pochette Matisse MM bag. Let me get a little bit close for you. This is the Pochette Matisse bag. You open it like this, and it comes with some straps, extra straps. And of course the authenticity paperwork, and I guess how you take care of it right here. Let me focus. Sorry. This is the straps. Of course, you can wear this bag any type of way. This, what sold me was doing it crossbody bag, and I liked it, excuse me, the rolls. I liked it wearing this way, of course, because I just like to just be on the go. And of course, you can wear it, hold it. You don't need the handles, you can just do it top handle, like a briefcase type, sort of, and that's nice. Simple and easy. If I can find the dimensions of the bag, I will post it. It looks like it's a good 8 inches. 8 by, it's not necessarily a square. It's kind of a rectangle, so like 8 by like 9 inches or so. And this is the depth. Next, I will show you what you can fit in this bag, okay? Stay with me. I'm gonna show you what you can fit into the bag. So this is the inside of the bag. They have 3 panels, 1, 2, 3. A small panel where I'm assuming you could probably put some small little papers or like receipts in there. It doesn't appear like it has a inside zipper, but on the back they do have an inside on a zipper on the outside, so you can put a little, I don't know, tickets or receipts, more money if you want inside. But yeah, the 3 panels. Okay, so let's see what we can fit in here. Of course, you have your cell phone, put that in the middle, your wallet, probably gonna get a new wallet because this has seen its days. Hand sanitizer. I probably will put this on the outside, but just for the video's sake, we're just gonna put it on the inside. Lippy chappy stick, because you can't be ashy. Can't have no dry ashy lips. Of course, you need to get out and drive and go, or whatever. You need your keys. To tune out the haters, you got your headphones, your AirPods, case. Can't be ashy. Okay. Let me see. And it's looking kind of, I can still put some more stuff items in it. And of course, sometimes I don't drink, but to the people who do, to quote a great person, I do believe she did say, if I like to get my buzz on before I get my club on. And I do believe that was Shanae Jenkins. Let's see if we can fit that in. It ain't working. Oh. Nah, let's not. Let's not be ratchet in the Louis Vuitton. Okay, so this is what you can fit. And the bag looks, it doesn't look like it's too overstuffed. It still looks good. And I can actually add some perfume. There you go. A nice on-the-go bag. The Petit Métis. Here is the bag. My first ever luxury bag. I spent, drum roll please, I spent $26, $35, $38. I will put the numbers on the screen. And I know some people are like, that's a lot of money for a bag, but do what you want with your money. I save, not that you need to know this, I save. I'm not a scammer. I work hard for my money, so I do what I want and I don't care. But anyway, yes, this is my first ever luxury bag and I love it. I'm like I already know I'm addicted to it already. Like I said, I bought this in August. My birthday was in December, so I already bought other luxury items and hopefully I will show you all the other items that I bought. Because I didn't do travel, so guess what? That money was going to savings and of course to these lovely bags. And this is not the first and this is not definitely the last bag that I'm buying from Louis Vuitton. Christian Louis Vuitton. Oh my gosh. Excuse my French. No pun intended. But yeah. Yeah, this is the Pochette Matisse bag, and it looks, I love it. It's a good bag. Hopefully I'll come back with another month review on it. And yeah, this is it. I hope you all love the review. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you have a blessed and lovely day and be beautiful. Peace.